Birthday Lunch, written and illustrated by Huang Xin. Wednesday is my favorite day of the week. My friends and I always have our favorite lunch choices on this day. Since today is Wednesday, I am having a chicken sandwich. Mia is having spaghetti. Farah is having chicken nuggets, and Donald is having pizza. I cannot wait for my friends to come over this Saturday. It will be my birthday, and I will be turning 7. Noi, my grandma, is going to cook all of my favorite Vietnamese dishes for the party. I can't wait for everyone to taste her cooking. It's the best. Now that I think about it, I have never seen anything in the cafeteria that looks like what Noi makes at home. I love Noi's cooking, but what if my friends don't? I don't want them to think I'm strange. Maybe I should ask Noi to make some of their favorite foods instead. Noi has never had any of my school lunches before, so I have to describe them to her as best as I can. I am a little sad about changing the food, but I know my friends will like it much better. Oh no, Noi didn't understand what I wrote. Everything looks delicious, but it's not what I had in mind. The party is about to begin, and there just isn't enough time to fix the food. There is already someone at the door, and I can't help but to feel so worried. Farah is the first to arrive. As soon as she comes in, her nose leads her straight to the bun bao on the table. What are these, Thao? They remind me of the samosas that my nanny makes at home. It's my favorite Indian dish. I tell Farah that they are called bun bao. They are steamed dough with vegetable filling. Before I can describe anything else, the doorbell rings again. Donald is the second to arrive to my party. As soon as Donald comes in, he heads straight for the table too. What are these, Thao? They remind me of the injera that my setayat makes at home. It's my favorite Ethiopian dish. I tell Donald that they are called banseo. They are made with flour and vegetables. Sometimes Noi puts shrimp in them. Soon after, Mia arrives to my party. As soon as Mia comes in, she heads straight to the table. What are these, Thao? They remind me of the torta that my abuela makes at home. It's my favorite Mexican dish. Mia was asking about the banh mi, and they are also one of my favorite things to eat. A banh mi has cilantro, pate, pickled carrots, pickled radish, cucumber, a special sauce, and meat. I am so happy to know that I am not the only one that doesn't eat cafeteria food at home. I sure do love the food that Mrs. Pam, the lunch lady, makes at school, but nobody knows what my tummy loves more than my Noi. This has turned out to be the best birthday ever.